Hello and welcome. I'm Mary Amber Hughes and I have a helper. This is my son, Charles. Charles is here today. He's going to help us and he's going to show you how to make and fill a foamer, a hand foamer, so that you can refill your own foaming hand pumps at your house. And we get ours from doTERRA, or we will recycle and take other people's foamers, and you can get 3 of these actually for $5 through your account with doTERRA. And he's made one already. Some of the ingredients we're going to need are, you need of course your empty foamer with the lid off.
We need some water. And we also need to use some of this.
And this is, this is Castile soap. And we get ours at our Kroger, and you can order it and get it in health food stores as well.
And we also use On Guard.
Yep, we're going to use our On Guard cleaner, or our On Guard cleaner. We're going to make some On Guard cleaner with our On Guard, and literally it is 14 cents a drop to make this.
And we use coconut oil.
And we use a little bit of the On Guard, a couple squirts of the On Guard fractionated coconut oil.
And we use a funnel.
A funnel could be helpful. And a tablespoon measuring spoon.
Yep. And so I'm going to build one.
So first you want to put in your water, and you fill it, you don't have to show them. Okay. You fill it about 3/4 of the way up with water. Always add the water first and add your soap last. Keeps it from being extra foamy.
Do we do that next? This?
Yep.
Okay. You can pour it.
Okay, and then we add 2 tablespoons of, and we use the unscented Dr. Bronner soap. You can get it with different oils already in it, but we like the Hemp Baby Unscented Pure Castile soap, and it's a more natural liquid soap. There's 2 tablespoons of that, and you're foaming in your hand pump. And then
we do coconut oil.
Just a few pumps.
About like 3.
He likes to put in 3. You may be saying, my fractionated coconut oil doesn't look like that. This pump part, you can buy this from doTERRA on your account for about $2.50, and then you just pop off the top part and add this to the top of your fractionated coconut oil bottle.
And then we use On Guard. We at least put 6 drops.
You could put as many as 10 drops, but we have little hands, and we know that the On Guard is very potent. Got 6 in there?
Oh, that's funny.
It's
making like a little drops. Yep.
You want to add a little bit more water in there.
Okay.
Just a little bit more. You don't want to fill it all the way up because your foamer top actually displaces some of the liquid.
Okay. And then we put the foamer top on.
We like, because this is an all-natural hand cleaner for our family.
And you shake this.
And then you stir it up. You just shake it to stir it up a little bit before you use it.
And then that's how you work it.
And then it foams. You have to get it started and primed. So it provides a nice foaming. Here, just wipe it on this towel. There we go. So it is really nice, and foam is really nice for your hands. You may have to play around with it a little bit. Some people like a little bit more, a little bit less. If you make this already yourself, I'd love to hear how or what oils. You don't have to just put On Guard in there. We're just doing that to show you that we use this product for our cleaning. We have one more to make, Charles. Would you mind making that?
Yep.
So in our family, we like to have the extra one stuck underneath the sink so we have something handy at all times. And they do lock, so you can lock them so little ones don't have access to pumping and emptying it all out. And then they just twist, and then in this channel right here, in this channel is where you put it then to dispense. So I like that they do have that locking feature. And we do have one that we've used for many years now. You can see that the On Guard and some of the oils that we've used, we like to use geranium. We've used wild orange in ours, even throughout the year. I know we've had some other citrus oils we put in. We've had, I think, some calming oils put in here before. We've had balance in our soap before. I leave that to my oldest daughter. This is the first time in a while that I have made it myself, and I asked Charles if he would help me since he was enjoying the day outside. Oh, that's plenty. There you go.
And then
good job.
we do On Guard again.
Many all-purpose cleaners and many hand cleaners contain ingredients that you don't know or can't even read on the label. And we like putting in ingredients that we know what they are for our family and their developing bodies. We don't like to have things that are messing with their endocrine system that may have a long-term effect. Fill it up there. We like the potency of the On Guard cinnamon and wild orange and the blend. Good job. And you can see he's being careful not to fill it up too full to the top. And you can see that the oil, you don't see a big yellow residue on the top up there. The fractionated coconut oil adds a little bit of moisture to the soap mixture. I have not found it to be exceedingly drying on the skin or anything like that. So there's lots of oils. doTERRA has a ebook. Actually, you can Google doTERRA ebook and personal care products, and you will find all kinds of great recipes, and it tells you what oils are great for making those personal care products for yourself. So that is what we wanted to share with you about how to make your foamer. So you need a foamer, you need some Castile soap, 1 tablespoon measuring cup, and some coconut oil in the oil of your choice.
And maybe next time we could do lemon.
Yep, we could. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope that you enjoyed today, and wherever you're at.